Hey guys, welcome to Black Slave, and in today's video I will be illustrating on an Android tablet. My goal today will be to accomplish a simple minimalist vector character, something you see often on brandings and infographics, something that Illustrator is commonly used for. The app I am using right now is called Infinite Design. This is the only decent looking Illustrator software I've found on Android. It is free, but keep in mind some features get locked after a certain period of time. 7 days, 5 days was it? I don't remember. But then it requires a one-time payment of $5, I believe. It has most features you would need. I would call the essentials like the shape builder tool, being demonstrated right over here on the screen, filling, gradient, shapes, pen tool, move tool, selection tool, and a lot more. And some of the capabilities it has did surprise me. But before I begin, I do want to mention that working on a long project on this software may be very frustrating. Due to random glitches, fills not working, shapes not being detected, random crashes, and just annoying bugs that seem solvable but for some reason are not. It just sometimes feels like it's not well optimized for any device at the moment. So without any further nonsense, let's begin the video. The design process was alright. I did have a little hiccups, but it was fun. Once you get used to and start tackling and treating the issues, it gets alright. Alright guys, hope you found this video somewhat entertaining and informational. Thanks for watching. Take care.